Different hand for the stick, different foot for the clutch.
You're on the wrong side.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I would have been shocked if I saw a car on the left side. Okay. I'm on the lane. Buenos dias a todos. It is a Sunday, 10th of November, and Fabi and I are out on our great adventure today. So this morning, Fabi did really well renting a car. So we've got this Suzuki.
Yeah, it's a Suzuki.
For 2 days. So we are gonna go out on an adventure on the outskirts of Pucon, just explore the place for today and tomorrow. So for a little car like this, 22,000 a day, so split that equals to 20 bucks a day, so not too bad to be able to go around and drive wherever you want. But the key thing to this is preparation. You have to have your international driver's permit and your driver's license. So both Abby and I have it. Even if you don't know whether you're gonna drive or not, just pay the 20-30 bucks you need to get it. And then so you don't have to worry if you do end up wanting to drive, then you are free to do as you wish. So today we are gonna check out the region of Caburgua. Here's the lake up here, and then we are gonna start off with a couple of waterfall viewpoints here, and then we're just kind of making our way from Pucon through this highway, and then we should be there shortly. The last time we were watching this Netflix documentary series called Andes Mexico, and it pretty much just showcased the Andes, South, Patagonia with awesome cinematics, just drone footage. So really pumped, and a new inspiration to capture the landscapes around this place. So can't wait to see what we find later on, and take Mav up to have a look.
Persona? Sí. 1,500 each.
So we are now walking around our first destination, Los Ojos de Caburgua.
Exactly.
So right beneath me there is Laguna Azul, right there, and then just back where we came from is Ojos de Caburgua, which means the eyes, which is what they call the waterfall. So you can see we're just on one side of the river, but there's an equal amount of viewpoints. You can see this lagoon and this river stream from the other side. Here guys is the waterfalls right there in front of me. Let's just get a little bit closer. Easy peasy. Feels okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, true. Oh, look at that. Yeah, how clear the water is. So we have now made it to Lake Caburgua, and check out how clear this water is. Damn, who would have thought I needed my swimmers today? If I knew there was a chance to swim, I would have brought it for sure. It's a hot day, the water looks amazing and good temperature as well, right?
Definitely.
Did you bring yours?
Yeah, I did.
Ah, damn, you're gonna get hit? Shit. Ah, I'll just sit here in the sun while you go for a swim. Alright, time to head to another beach, and I have not driven manual for like 3 years. But now it's on the other side of the road. Australia drives on the left hand side, so got to get used to the clutch. Fabi chose a manual, so different hand for the stick, different foot for the clutch. So let's give it a go. I miss driving manual. When I get back home and if I buy a new car, it's definitely going to be manual. I'm like, where's the clutch? It's not on this side.
You're on the wrong side.
Oh shit. Oh shit. That's the other thing. Left is on that thing. Yeah, okay. Damn. I would have been shocked if I saw a car on the left side. Okay. I'm on the lane. Okay. Thanks for reminding me. Now, one of the best things about having your own car and driving around is you could just stop at any spot like this. Look at these yellow plants and flowers. Literally just stopped on the side of the road on this bridge, and we're just gonna try to make our way down somewhere over there, make our way through the plants there, and I reckon it'll be a pretty sick place to just hang out down there and get a few shots. So yeah, we'll just try to go around, and then I reckon there's a way. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
La surtida, una surtida. ¿Y tú igual?
Tú, sí.
¿Surtida igual? Ya. Chilena es el tomate con cebolla.
Con cebolla y
Sí.
sin carne.
Sin carne. ¿no?
Ah, ok.
Es una ensalada.
Ah, sí, ok.
Claro.
Otra con carne.
Dos surtidas.
Sí. Alright, lunchtime, and we are having the famous pastel de choclo. Famous Chilean dish. And Fabian is super hungry and is happy now. She's eating. Can't believe I've been in Santiago or Chile for 5.5, 6 weeks now, and this is the first time I am having this dish. This dish is probably the best I've tried. Now I could say this is the best Chilena dish I've tried. Everyone's like, what's your favorite like Chilena dish? And I haven't tasted anything like spectacular, like completos or Toriana. But I wouldn't say it's like a favorite, but yeah, this one is. One kickback though, we thought food on the side of the road in this country town's cheap, but it's actually a little bit expensive. It's 6,000 pesos for this dish, so with the drink, with the coke, it always ends up costing us like 8 to 9,000 pesos, which is like 16, 17 bucks pop every time we eat. Alright guys, we're just back into town now. I just spent the rest of the afternoon driving around, trying to, but unsuccessfully, looking for spots to stop with the view. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. We're just here by the lake, watching the sunset, just catching the tail end of it because Fabi was busy. But anyway, big day ahead of us tomorrow. We are gonna go for a big hike at, what's the, como te llama?
It's National Park Huerquehue.
Huerquehue. And yeah, that's gonna be a little warm up for the volcano hike, which I've already got booked for Tuesday day. So should be a good couple of days ahead of us. Thanks for joining me again today guys, and catch you guys tomorrow.